Good morning, good afternoon students. 10th standard mathematics test number 2. It is of 15 marks. One time is 1 hour. First question, choose the correct alternate option for the question given below. So here is, they have given sub 4 questions and for 4 marks means one question of 1 marks each. राईट द टू नंबर्स हुज सम इज 17. म्हणजे अशी संख्या लिहा ज्याची सम म्हणजे बेरीज 17 असेल. तर जर आप लेट सी -1 and -18, what will be the addition? -19. So it will not the answer. 18 plus 1, 19. Again it is wrong. -1 plus 18, yes. If the one number is positive and one number is negative, then what will do in the addition? What will do in the addition? Minor, subtract a smaller number than the bigger. So from the bigger, 18 minus 1, 17, and give the sign of bigger number. मग याचं मोठ्या संख्येतून लहान संख्या वजा करायची आणि त्याचे चिन्ह द्यायचं. 18 मधून एक गेला 17 आणि मोठ्या संख्येचे चिन्ह म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह म्हणजे 17. बरोबर की नाही? So it will be the answer. Okay, and what will be the 18 and -1? It will also correct. बरोबर की नाही? ऍक्च्युली यांचा प्रश्न चुकलेला आहे. मग दोन्ही ठिकाणी कसं काय? राईट द टू नंबर्स हुज सम इज, अच्छा 2 नंबर्स सांगितले. अच्छा ठीक आहे. सो इट विल बी द ऑल्सो आन्सर. आता 2 ऑप्शन कसं काय करेक्ट असेल? 18 -1 याची पण ऍडिशन तीच होईल की? बरोबर की नाही? एक तर मग क्वेश्चन पेपरमध्ये चुकलेले असेल किंवा जर 2 उत्तरं सांगायची असतील तर मग हे येतील. बरोबर की नाही? दोघांची ऍडिशन 17 येईल. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. डॅश डॅश इज अ सोल्युशन ऑफ इक्वेशन x plus y is equal to 12. Sorry, x plus y minus 12 is equal to 0. Then what will be the solution of equation? आपल्याला काय काढायचं आहे? x plus y ची किंमत काढायची. बरोबर? व्हॉट वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x plus y. इफ सपोज x plus y is 12 and 12 minus 12 become 0. बरोबर? Then it will satisfy the condition of the equation. So we have to draw x plus y, means the addition of x and y will be 12. बरोबर? So what will be that two numbers that whose addition is 12? 10 plus 2, 12. Yes, here is the correct answer. What is the addition of 10 and -2? It will become 8. 14 minus 2, the addition of these two number will be -12 only, plus 12. What will be the addition? -2 and -10, -12. We have what we need, plus 12. ओके, प्लस 12 मधून -12 गेला तर 0 होईल ना. मग हे उत्तर येईल. बरोबर की नाही? नेक्स्ट, इन अ राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल लेंथ ऑफ हायपोटेनियस इज 15 सेंटीमीटर. देन फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ मीडियन ड्रॉन ऑन हायपोटेनियस. म्हणजे असा राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल म्हणजे काटकोन त्रिकोण आहे. असा समजा हा काटकोन त्रिकोण आहे. द लेंथ ऑफ हायपोटेनियस म्हणजे हा कर्णाची लांबी किती आहे? 15 सेंटीमीटर. अँड देन फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द मीडियन ड्रॉन ऑन हायपोटेनियस. जर या इथून जर आपण या हायपोटेनियसवर कर्णावर जर आपण मध्यका काढली तर व्हॉट विल बी द इट्स लेंथ. आणि जर तुम्हाला गुणधर्म माहित असेल तर तुम्हाला लगेच कळेल की जर आपण इथून कर्णावर जर मध्यका काढली तर तिची लांबी कशी असते? हाफ ऑफ द हायपोटेनियस. सपोज वी ड्रॉ अ मीडियन फ्रॉम ऑन द हायपोटेनियस, द व्हॉट विल बी द इट्स लेंथ? इट विल बी द हाफ ऑफ द हायपोटेनियस. द व्हॉट इज द हाफ ऑफ द 15? 7.5. 7.5 15 चे निम्मे. ओके, द लेंथ ऑफ द मीडियन विल बी 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन ट्रायंगल ABC, angle A is equal to 14 degree Celsius, angle B is equal to 17 degree Celsius, and then what will be the measurement of angle C? Suppose this is one triangle. Okay, A, B and C. A will be 40, B is 70, and what will be the C? You know the properties of what? The sum of the three angles of the triangle is 180 degree. बरोबर? The sum of the 3 angles of the triangle is 180, and the sum of these two angles will become 14 plus 70, 110. 110. Then what will be the C? 180 minus 110. ओके. तिघांची बेरीज जर 180 असेल आणि या दोघांची बेरीज 110 असेल तर कसं काढणार तिसरा अँगल? 180 मायनस 110. ओके. तर मग 180 मधून 110 गेले 70. ओके. तर 70 विल बी आन्सर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Solve the following sub questions. 3 marks. 3 question is there. One mark for each question. If x plus y is equal to 65 and x minus y is equal to 35, then find the value of x and y. So we need paper for it to solve. Let's solve on a paper. Okay. Here they have given 2 equations. Okay. So we will write here. Equation number 1. Okay, x plus y is equal to 65. This will be the equation number 1. And the second equation is x minus y is equal to 35. This will be the equation number 2. Okay. Now what we have to calculate? The value of x and y. Then what we'll do? If we add equation 1 plus 2, then automatically plus y minus y will be cancelled. Okay. So we will do equation 1 plus equation 2. Okay. We will add both the equations. Okay. So उभी मांडणी करूया आपण इथं. ठीक आहे. x plus y is equal to 65 plus x minus y is equal to 35. Okay. So addition काय होणार? x plus x 2x and the plus plus y minus y will get cancelled. So 65 plus 35 how many? 5 and 5 10 हात चला 1 7 3 9 1 10 100. Okay. So 2x is equal to 100. So x will be what? 100 and this 2 will divide here because here multiply is हा गुणतोय ना मी इकडे आल्यावर भागेल. तो x will be what? 100 by 2 is equal to 50. Okay. So x we calculated here is 50. Then put the value of x in equation what? 1. इक्वेशन 1 में इक्वेशन हे 1 मध्ये जर आपण y x च्या जागी आपण काय करणार आता 50 लिहिणार. ठीक आहे. So equation 1 is what? X plus y is equal to 65. Okay. So what will be the x? X we calculated as a 50. So write here 50. Then y is equal to 65. Okay. So y is here, 65 is here. Then when 50 will go there, it will become subtract. It will subtracted from 65. हा इकडं बेरीज करतोय ना, इकडे आल्यावर इकडून 65 मधून वजा होणार. ठीक आहे. तो y is equal to 65 minus 15, 15. Okay. So y is equal to 15. So x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 15. So write the answer on question paper where it is yes. Okay. So x will be what? 50 and the y will be 15. Okay. Next question. Write the following statement in equation form using the variables x and y. म्हणजे असे एक स्टेटमेंट लिहा, म्हणजे खाली जे स्टेटमेंट दिले त्यांनी इक्वेशन फॉर्म मध्ये आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे, समीकरण बनवायचं आहे x आणि y चे. ठीक आहे. द सम ऑफ 2 नंबर्स इज 15. म्हणजे बेरीज ज्या 2 संख्यांची बेरीज 15 आहे. मग 2 संख्या कोणत्या? x आणि y. दॅट म्हणजे x प्लस y विल बी 15. इट विल बिकम द what we write? First number plus another number is equal to 15. This will be the equation number 1. Okay. And the difference is 11. So first number minus second number is equal to 11. This will be the equation number 2. बस झालं, 2 इक्वेशन लिहायचे तुम्हाला हे. ठीक आहे. This will be the answer. X plus y is equal to 15. अँड द एक्स मायनस वाय इज इक्वल टू 11. बस तुम्हाला किमती काढायच्या नाहीत, फक्त तुम्हाला काय सांगितलं इक्वेशन लिहायला लावलंय. सो राईट दिस टू इक्वेशन्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आयडेंटिफाय द टेस्ट बाय विच द गिवन टू ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रंट. If we see this AB side is equal to PQ, okay, then here we can see this BC side is equal to the congruent to this two side QR, and then third side AC is congruent to PR. So what will be the test of congruency here? This is side is congruent to this side is congruent to this side, and third side is congruent to this side. What will be the test? The S side test. The answer will be side test. बाजू. ठीक है. एकरूपतेची कसोटी. The question number 3. Solve the following sub questions for 8 marks. How many questions are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 marks. ठीक है. 2 मार्काला प्रश्न आहे तो. Divide the segment AB of length 7 cm into 3:2 ratio. ओके. म्हणजे एक रेषाखंड आहे 7 सेंटीमीटर लांबीचा, तर तुम्हाला 3:2 रेशो मध्ये डिवाइड करायचा आहे. लेट्स ड्रॉ अ लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ 7 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट A and this is the point B. This is of 7 centimeter. Okay. And what we are going to tell? Break this line into 3:2 ratio. So we will draw 3 plus 2 5 arcs on one. We will draw here a ray from started from here and draw a ray here. Okay. And then what we'll do? We will mark the 5 arcs on this ray. Okay. So take any distance, don't change. Okay. And draw 5 arcs. Why 5 arcs? Because 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So write here name A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Okay. What we'll do here now? We will draw a line that is joining A5 to B. Okay. So here B, we will join these 2 points. Okay. A5, B. What are next step? Draw a line parallel to this line that is starting from here. Okay. Draw a line parallel to this line, and then this line will be divided the above line segment. Okay. Then how we will draw it? Let's take any measurement here. Okay. Take the compass point here and draw a arc here. Take any distance. Okay. So we will draw one arc here. Okay. Then take this compass point on point number A3. Okay. Why A3? Because we have to divide this into 3:2 ratio. That's why A on A3 put and draw another arc here. Okay. So what we'll do next? Then we will take this distance. Okay. And take this compass point on the point of intersection here. Okay. When we draw a arc, the arc is intersected here. Okay. So put this compass point on here and draw a point of intersection here. So, okay. So this point and the A3, let's join and extend this 2 line up to line segment. Okay. So here is the point that this point divides this line segment into 3:2 part. Okay. We can write here any point M. Okay. This M point, AM is of 3 and MB will be of 2 parts. Okay. Now next question is there. इफ ट्रायंगल ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, then measurement angle A will be congruent to angle P, angle B will be congruent to what? C. Angle A is congruent to angle P. Okay, so angle B will be congruent to Q, and angle C again congruent to R. Okay, then sides, AB is congruent to PQ. Okay, again I write here ABC, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, so AB side, this AB side will be congruent to PQ. Okay, and the BC side means this is the BC side will be congruent to QR. BC side is congruent to side QR, and the PR means what? First and the last point. Okay, so this will be congruent to AC. Okay, AC. Next question. Here in your question paper it is wrongly written, so I saw the Marathi medium paper and write the correct equation here. Okay, because I tried solve it for 2 times, but I am not getting that answer. मग नंतर मी चेक केलं मराठी मीडियमला, तर हे असा प्रश्न आहे, म्हणजे हा चुकलेला प्रश्न होता. दॅट्स वाय इट इज द राईट क्वेश्चन. ओके, नाउ वी हॅव टू सॉल्व दिस 2 इक्वेशन्स अँड कॅल्क्युलेट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x and y. ओके, द इक्वेशन नंबर 1 इज व्हॉट? 3x minus 2y is equal to 20. This is the equation number 1. And what will be the second equation? X plus 3y is equal to 14. So equation number 2. Okay, so what we will do, if you want to solve this equation, okay, so कोफिशियंट सारखे करून घेतले. इफ वी डू द कोफिशियंट विल इक्वल, देन वी कॅन इझिली सॉल्व. ओके, मग कोफिशियंट सारखे कसं करणार? आता याचा कोफिशियंट 3 आहे आणि याचा 1 आहे, तर इफ यू मल्टिप्लाय दिस x बाय 3, देन इट विल बिकम 3x. ओके, सो व्हॉट विल वी डू? विल डू मल्टिप्लाय 3 into equation number 2. Okay, then what will be the equation number 2 will become now? X into means multiply the whole equation. This whole equation will be multiplied by what? 3. Okay, so 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 3y, 9y. Okay, is equal to 3 into 14, 42. So this will become equation number 3. Okay, what we did here, we make the coefficient same. That's why if we if you do subtraction 1 and 3, then 3x will get cancelled. Okay, then only y will remain, and then we can easily calculate the value of y. Okay, so what will you do here? Next step is equation 1. Sorry, we will subtract equation 3 minus 1. That's why it will be easy for us. 42 minus 20 will be easy. Okay, so that's why what will we do? म्हणजे 3 मधून 1 वजा केलं तर सोपं जाईल. 42 मधून 20 करणं सोपं आहे, बरोबर की नाही? So what will we do? Equation 3 minus equation 2. Okay, so equation 3 is what? 3x plus 9y is equal to 43. बरोबर, मायनस इक्वेशन नंबर 2 नाही, 1 नॉट 2 नॉट 1. हां, इक्वेशन 3 minus 1 मतलब इक्वेशन 3 मधून इक्वेशन 1 वजा करू. ठीक आहे, सो 3x minus 2y is equal to 20. काय करायचं आहे? सबस्ट्रॅक्शन. का? कारण की 3x कॅन्सल व्हायला पाहिजे. मग आपण काय करणार? याचं कॅन्सल. तर 3x minus 3x will be get cancelled. ओके, सो 9 minus 2 minus 2y, so minus will be plus. Okay, so it will become 11y. It will become 11y. Why? 9 मधून जर वजा 2 वजा केले, ठीक आहे, तो इट विल बिकम मायनस प्लस. ओके, म्हणजे साइन चेंज होऊन जाणार ना. मायनसचं प्लस आणि द प्लस 20 विल बी -20. ओके, सो 14 minus 20, 42 minus 20, how much? 22. Okay, so y will be what? 22. This 11 will be divide here, so 22 minus 22 by 11 is 2. Okay, so what is the value of y? 2. Y is equal to 2. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. Okay, so y, what is the value we get here? Y is equal to 2. So if you put the value of y in the equation number 1 here, okay, or equation number 2, जे तुम्हाला सोपं वाटतं ते तुम्ही करू शकता. ठीक आहे, so what we do, put the value of y in equation 2. Okay, so equation 2 is what? X plus 3y is equal to 14. So write here x plus 3 into what is y? 2. Write the 2 instead of y here is equal to 14. So x plus 3 into 2, 6 is equal to 14. So x is equal to what? 14 minus 6. The 6 will subtract here. So x will be 8. X will be 14 minus 6, 8. Okay, so this will be the answer. Y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 8. So write here answer, s is equal to 8 and y is equal to 2. Okay, let's see the last question. Total cost of 6 pens and 4 pencils is rupees 60 and the total cost of 4 pencils is rupees 40. Then find the cost of 1 pen and 1 pencil. Okay, and we will calculate on paper. Let the, what we have to calculate? Cost of 1 pen. Okay, the cost of 1 pen be x rupees. Okay, and the cost of 1 pencil be y rupees. Okay, pencil, right here pencil. The price of 1 pen is x rupees and the price of 1 pen will be x and pencil will be y rupees. Keep in mind. Now what will be the condition number 1 from the example? Cost of 6 pens and the cost of 4 pens will be 60. Means from condition 1, equation 1 will form. Here 6 pens means what? 6 into x, okay, plus 4 pencils means 4y. Okay, because x is the price of 1 pen and y is the price of 1 pencil, is equal to how much rupees? 60 rupees. So this is the equation number 1. Okay, what will be the equation number 2? The total cost of 4 pencils is 40. Means equation number 2 will be what? 4 pencils means what? 4y is equal to 40. This is the equation number 2. Okay, now what we have to calculate? The cost of 1 pencil. We can easily find the cost of y from this equation number 2. Okay, how? Suppose if you solve this equation number 2, let's solve equation number 2. Okay, 4y is equal to 40. Then y is equal to what? 40 upon 4. This 4 will divide here. Okay, so y will be 10. 40 by 4, 10. Means the cost of 1 pencil is 10 rupees. Okay, this is the cost of 1 pencil. Okay, so put the value of y, put the value of this y into equation number 1, then we will get the value of x. Okay, now put the value of y in equation number 1. Okay, Now equation number in 1 is what? 6x plus 4y. 6x plus 4y is equal to what? 60. Okay. So write the 6x plus 4y. What y is there? 10. Okay. So write 4 into y means 4 into 10 is equal to 60. Now calculate 6x plus 4 into 10, 40 is equal to 60. Okay. So 6x will remain here and 60 in this 14 plus 14 will become minus 14 here. Now 6x is equal to 60 minus 40 will be 20. Okay. And then 6 will be x will be 20 by 6. Okay. So x will be what? Divide these two, 20 by 6. Now divide 6 1 is 6, 6 is 18. Okay. Then again 2 will remain. So make a point. Then it will become again 20. 3.333. Okay. So 3.33 is the price of one. This is the price of 1 pen. 3.3 rupees. Okay. So this is the price of 1 pen and this is the price of 1 pencil. Okay. So right here the price of 1 pen will be 3.33 and the pencil will be 10 rupees. Okay. Write the rupee sign here. Okay. Thank you boss. Chalo bye bye.